Hello everybody, Cozy Azeroth, aka Zachary Fruling here, with a brief video number 22, character numbers from the book 101, Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. We're going to read through the program description, get into Classic 99, an emulator that emulates the TI-99 4A in a modern PC, and type in the program, run it, and see what we can learn, see what we can make it do. Okay, number 22, character numbers. This brief program displays the ASCII value for each keyboard character side by side with the character it stands for. You will be able quickly to tell what each number prints. Line 40 is a timing loop to slow down the presentation so you can digest the information. To make it even slower, increase the number 400 in line 40. To make it faster, decrease the number 400 in line 40. Okay, this is a very short program, so let's get into TI Basic. Okay, and let's start typing. 10, call clear. 20 for n equals 32 to 126. N equals 32 to 126. 30. Print in, I gotta be careful here, comma. CHR string, in other words, a character for each character number in N. 40 for T equals 1 to 400. $50 next T. 60 next N. We have some nested for next loops here, and 70 go to 20, and that's it. So this, as the program description says, it's going to list all of the numbers from 32 to 126 and the characters that they stand for, the ASCII code for that for each character. Okay, let's run it and see what we get. This is going to go very slowly, but let's run the whole program. It's funny, I remember 42 from when I was a kid was the ASCII code for the asterisk. It's the only one I remembered. Because it's used as a placeholder and everything in TI Basic. The TI Basic manuals. Now we're going to do lowercase letters. I don't know, do too many people use lowercase in TI Basic? Which is funny because they're lowercase, but they're also capitals. It's very strange. It's a weird way of doing lowercase. Nope, and we just repeat. Okay, let's go ahead and break the program. Call clear. List it one more time for posterity, as they say. I'm going to run it and get a screenshot for the YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Well, let's let it run through one more time, and then we'll move on to the next program. If you, while this program's running, if you happen to be watching this on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, my username on Twitch, or you can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruehling, for lots more Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, a lot of World of Warcraft live streaming, various educational content. Same thing if you're watching this live on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, and if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel if you want to watch me streaming live. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, and in any case, I appreciate any likes and subscriptions, especially subscriptions, which really help me out. I really appreciate it, so hope you enjoyed this very brief program. Number, I think it was 22, is that right? From, let's double check, yep. 22 character numbers from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. One of my favorite programming books from when I was a kid on my favorite old computer system from when I was a kid. Hope everyone's having a good day, and I will catch you in the next video.